Hey, Sean, want to go up north?
I'm ready to go up north. How far up north?
I don't know, let's just drive like 7 to 8 hours. See where that takes us.
Oh, we're in Temiskaming region. This is a beautiful region just north of New Liskeard in Ontario.
Oh, hey, look. The first snow of the season.
And with the snow comes the migration of the rough-legged hawks. They come when the weather starts to get too cold for them up north.
Yeah, the only buteo species found in the cold Arctic areas, where they breed on the tundra plains. And this is a northern harrier, also known to some as the marsh hawk.
This bird here is one of the easier birds to identify in flight. If you think you see one, look for the black wingtips and the white tail bar. These are good distinguishing features of a northern harrier.
They also named the Harrier plane after this bird. Pretty cool.
That's because it loves to hover above the fields.
Just like you see now in this video.
Whoa! It's like he's just like hanging out there in the air.
Now that's what I call gnarly, dude.
Harriers have facial discs like an owl, and it helps them hunt not only by sight, but by sound.
Whoa!
And then
We noticed some geese in the field on the other side of the road there, so we took a gander.
those geese don't look like our normal Canada geese we see.
No, those are snow geese, Sean.
Oh,
But I don't think every single one of them is a snow goose.
yeah. Let's talk about the differences of snow geese first. Here we got the snow geese, the white geese with the black tips on their wings.
Yeah, and the dark ones there are also snow geese, but they're called the blue morphs. Just a slight change in their DNA code, but they're still the same species.
Yeah, those guys will, together and make babies. Both morphs of the snow geese don't mind hanging out together, and can often be seen together foraging in flocks. But there's another type of goose in there as well.
Now note that the snow geese have the longer bills, and what's that one there? It's got more of a triangular shaped bill. What's that species, Sean?
Oh, that one there is a Ross's goose. It's a slightly smaller white goose, and it's got a shorter, stubbier, fat neck.
Yeah, I also heard they're all named Ross from birth.
This could be true, but I don't like friends.
David Schwimmer. Look at that deer fight! Hey Sean, let's just pretend to talk like we're the deer.
There ain't enough food in this place for the both of us.
What are you talking about? The farmer feeds us both plenty.
No, man, I need more food.
Get your antlers off mine.
No, I'm gonna take over this joint.
I'm getting the job with Santa, not you. You've been a bad boy.
My nose is way redder.
Well, my antlers are bigger and I can actually fly.
I would really like to see that.
I know I lied. I don't have any magic powers.
Oh, and look at this. There's some sort of a dinosaur coming in for a land.
Why, Sean, those would be Sandhill Cranes, landing on their wintering grounds here in Temiskaming region.
Holy Sandhill Crane.
Watch out, Steve! I'm coming in for a landing!
Tango 2, this is Steve here. You're clear for touchdown.
Well, we'll clear the runway. Come on in for the landing.
Oh no, everybody's safe, guys. Don't worry.
That was just a graphic we added in. Look at them coming in for a landing with such little effort.
It almost looks like they're standing, but they're in the air. Just coming in. Duh! Oh yeah, and these guys were coming down in the hundreds just to feed on the seed in the farmers' fields here that's left over from harvest. These guys stand at like a 4 to 5 foot range.
Holy moly!
Oh, and see the ones with the more coppery colored feathers? Those are juveniles. Sandhill cranes are one of the largest crane species in all of North America, and the only crane species larger is the whooping crane, which is endangered.
Yeah, and really the only crane species you're gonna find here in Ontario.
Aw, and John's here asleep in the Walmart parking lot. Looks like he had a long day.
When you're up north, hotels/motels are very limited to come by, so we just sleep in the closest Walmart parking lot.
Yeah, John and I are cheap as hell.
Yeah, Walmart all the way. Sometimes you get lucky, there's a Tim Hortons in the parking lot, you get free Wi-Fi. Crackers are on sale in the morning at Walmart too, so it's like bonus.
Thank you, Walmart Corp. Please sponsor the Bird Bros.
Yeah. That is all.